This is why you need the Stratawk XR9 for climate research. Let's dive in. The Stratawk XR9 is not your average aircraft. Designed for high-altitude, long-endurance missions, it soars up to 75,000 feet, right at the edge of the stratosphere. Equipped with a lightweight carbon fiber airframe and ultra-efficient solar-powered electric propulsion, the XR9 can stay aloft for over 24 hours, gathering critical data non-stop. But what makes it truly revolutionary? Its modular payload bays can house a variety of scientific instruments like LiDAR, spectrometers, and particle detectors, making it a versatile tool for studying ozone depletion, greenhouse gases, and high-altitude weather patterns. With autonomous flight systems, the XR9 navigates and loiters precisely over research zones. And thanks to its onboard AI, energy management and data collection are optimized in real time, ensuring maximum efficiency. This is more than just an aircraft. It's a game changer for climate science, reaching remote and hard-to-study atmospheric layers. The Stratawk XR9, taking climate research to new heights.